So hey guys, it's V, what's up, and welcome to my YouTube channel again.
Bye.
Rage process.
This year has been such a core memory even though I've been through rough patches in my life throughout the whole year. And you know what, that's fine guys, because everyone's going through something and that's totally fine. Anyways, ayun lang naman guys. I just wanna share na sobrang naging daming boring na ganap. But, wala kasi akong medyo random na ganaps nun. So, I did not upload. But I think this week, I'll be filming naman stuff. I don't know what to expect. Pero,
Drive. Benis, mag-hello ka.
Hi po, Tito.
Hello, saan mo na?
Kahit saan. BF lang siguro.
Tapos yan.
Okay.
Tita.
Ah.
Hi.
Sinungaling ka rin eh, no? Ginagamit mo rin kami.
Kinikis mo pa si Tito? Bakit?
Minsan. Hindi.
Bakit?
oh shit ko.
Sabihin mo kasama mo si Benis. Mahal kasi.
Pre daw, pre.
Sorry, mahal yun.
Yun lang. Yan ang magtampo ka na ngayon.
Mahal yun.
Pre daw, pre.
Wala no.
Wala na.
Suyo.
Normal kay Thomas yun.
Normal kayo daw.
Normal o abnormal?
Oh.
Abnormal na normal yung ginawa.
Pwede ba mo bro?
Tayo dadaan, pre.
Oh, pwede nga ba mag-broken pag di?
Genuine question.
Sakit.
Joke lang. Alam ko na yung bawi mo. Joke lang. Wait lang. Parang
Sabi nung na-broken kay Velus, yung mga alaala pa daw nila. Pre, nag 1, 2, 3 kami sa boss nun. Ang sweet eh, no?
Hello.
Na-girlfriend ka ni Thomas? Pre, ang tawag sa'yo.
so hindi mo na ako boyfriend. Parang ganun yung parating eh. Salpay pa ako. Please, tapos yun. Bigla na tayo. What? Ba't sa akin mo inabot?
We was the flight, up in the building. Counting this money.
Hindi pala ko ba-vlog. Parang ano ta. Yung shooting ng Fast and the Furious.
And now it's all eyes on me, and it all eyes on me. To say something to your pretty ass, some hood shit, what you looking at, cause I'm good for that. Breaking bags, I'm good for that. Might just be your blood for that. You might fall in love with that, got love for that. What's your name?
We're going on a trip. Kayak. Hi, Anna. Hello. No.
I came like a wrecking ball.
Yun lang. Wala na.
Hindi ka sumasabay sa flow? Hindi ka sumasabay sa flow ah.
Guys, it's like so hot in here. Hey vlog, what's up? So today, it's Monday and I'm leaving to go to my classmate's condo kasi we're going to be making chocolate xiaolongbao. And the selling is tomorrow and on Wednesday. And we have to make the xiaolongbao na ngayon kasi para steamed na lang siya tomorrow and it's perfectly well served to the customers. Yes naman guys, diba? So, shit, how do you lock a house? I'm locking the house right now. Yun, ito pala yung key. I have to wear shoes pala. I forgot. I thought I was just gonna wear Crocs, pero kasi we don't wanna be doing that. I don't know if I'll wear these. This one is Saint Laurent. Pero hindi ko siya trip. So I won't wear. Namamala yung New Balances ko. It's here. It's actually here. I think I'll wear those. So I have my shoes na. I'm not gonna wear it muna right now kasi it's gonna hurt while I'm driving. I'm gonna wear my Crocs muna. Grabe guys, it's such a hassle trying to be an athlete.
Don't leave the house tomorrow. I gotta meet with Audemars. Tell me what you want. You say you had enough, cause my time ain't enough. Girl, it's never enough for you, but you can wait until after the.
So guys, I just got here sa condo ng blockmate ko. It's my other blockmate. Sas, hi ka. Yes, grabe lang. Waiting for Denise to go down. So hey guys, sorry kung masyadong retouched yung lips. Pero I didn't vlog the Xiaolongbao making because it was so hectic then. There was a lot going on. Pero right now guys, I just got off my friend's condo. And I'm on my way to my dad's surprise birthday party. Actually, late na ako. And hindi ko nga alam kung invited pa ako. Guys, I'm here. Po? Tama po saan? Ngayon na ate? Yes. Saan may parking ate? Diretso na po. Thank you po. Thank you. Sir Miko! Hi Sir Miko! So hey guys, nandito na tayo. And nag-vibe check muna ako bago ko kinuha yung camera. Okay naman. Our cars, bro.
This was it all for I turned 23. I could That's why we solo. Tell me what you want.
So, hey guys! Today is selling day. And as you can see, naka-clips pa rin ako. I just had to clamp my hair up kasi medyo nagda-dry siya. Anyways, shit! I'm here again at my classmates' condo kasi kukunin ko yung mga chocolate xiaolong baos. And apparently, guys, look ko. I have the leftover chocolate pa. The leftover chocolate, and I have the packaging here. So, I'm waiting for her to go down so that she can fetch me here sa ground floor ng condo niya. And selling starts at 9. And I'm actually like kind of nervous because shit! I don't know what to expect in this bazaar because obviously it may not be like the last bazaars that I did in my past schools, my past school years. And then it was so hassle because, you know guys, I forgot my license pa. So I had to go back sa house and had to go through like what, 30 minutes of traffic pabalik ng house. And then, ayun. So, ang daming nasayang na gas. So, ito ako ngayon nanghihinayang. So, kung ano man yung masasweldo ko dito mapupunta yung gas. Dito, sa gas ko yung mapupunta. Yung suswelduhan ko sa bazaar namin. Stay tuned later. And I'm going to charge my DJI kasi nga I left it at the car. So, see you guys! So hey guys, I'm at McDo right now, whispering because I'm so shy to vlog. But I'm at McDo, I park here and my blockmates got the stock now for the xiaolong baos. And I'm trying to get breakfast here for takeout and go back to campus like as soon as possible because it's already 9:30 and I'm not even in campus yet. Oh my gosh, bro.
As they proudly showcase their prototypes and Kakao Base. Everyone here, thank you for supporting our young innovators. Please enjoy the exhibit, explore its venture, and celebrate the creativity and passion that showcase and present your product, your innovation to your families, passionate. And there's a saying guys, a sales nagkakago lang ako. George.
Hodachi! Kaya na ba? Okay. Parang kinakabahan sila. Okay guys, sige go. Wala. Teka lang, dapat yung totoong reaction ha. Hindi, parang ito hindi niya gusto eh. It's okay?
Yeah.
It's okay for Kaya guys. Ayan, sige, iisa pa siya. So, nagustuhan niya. Thank you guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys, si George oh. Ready oh. Si Madam. Yes? Yes, grabe oh. Stressed out ang grupo. Wala na tayo ng benta. Sold out na kami guys. Wala na, sold out na. Init! How was it in the boy? Wait lang!
What's up?
Ilang beses ka lang, lagi lang ganyan.
Ano ka malakas ha? Max volume.
Basta. Uwi na lang.
Tinuro ko sa inyo kahit yung kayain.
Oh, hindi kaya yan.
Hindi naman siya na eh.
Saan ba yung kondo ni Denise?
Malapit lang po.
Sorry.
May arts lang.
May gusto ko ako, naghahanda ko, madapa ko, mabigo sa ngayon ayos lang kasi may bukas pa di na ubusin kaya sa amin natin sumusunod ka lang susuyuin ka kahit hindi mo pakunan yung ikaw sa salitang
Mahabol yung Mini Cooper. Mahabol si natin. Box.
Ay, wala pa tayo dyan, boss.
Lakad, boss. Ay, natutok na tutok ka naman, Nick.
Lalapit, gago. Init, pre.
Maliligo mo na ako bago malis.
May break time ba tayo? Tanghali. Gutom na ako. Oo, namamakyo itong gago na to. Isa pa.
Isa pa. Hindi ka pa makasagi, gago ka.
Hello guys, we're here sa condo ni Denise. Gagawa ng second batch ng Xiaolong Bao. Yun lang. Oh!
Parang kahapon ng 4 pa.
Hindi yung password ng
Kala ko magpusuwi mo. Ha? Ikaw, excited ka? Excited ka magbenta?
Sobrang excited po ako magbenta. Ito na po talaga.
Ikaw, Seth, kaya pa?
Renovation sa bahay namin eh. Kailangan dapat.
Guys, right now, patapos lang nilang magawa ng wrapper ng Xiaolong Bao. Head!
Kain mo na. Kaninong bag to? Ay, pwede ba? Okay lang lagay ko.
Hey guys! So, tapos na siyang gumawa ng chess. Grabe! Isang puta. Pakibilisan. Kasi ang layo pa nag-uwian ni Francis. Teka lang! Very! Anong gagawin ko sa chocolate? Wag na. Wala ng chocolate. Sa'yo na yan.
Now which kind life where I never see? I carry God so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commas. Comma. Original no be parody. You know fit clear for your memory. Whether now winter or summer, I did Papa don't Savannah. Living life, see my fire burning bright within the inside me. Small leeway, they might see them.
So hey guys, today is last day ng bentahan sa school and it's currently 7:43 and we're on our way to go to my classmates' condo ulit kasi I'm gonna get the Xiaolong Baos and the other stuff. And I have the sauce here and I have to heat up the sauce in my condo ng pinsan ko. So ayun, we're stuck in traffic. It hindi ko expect to. The time is running. The time is ticking. I should be there like before 9. And I should do everything before 9. So, I'm actually kind of freaking out because I shouldn't be late today.
Gold! Yeah! Gold! I'm barely getting started.
Bilis na.
Bili ka rin sa amin. Ano mo? Parang maaga tayo makauwi na. Ano yung benta nyo?
Yan, pre.
Oh, promote mo.
Ito, guys, kung hindi pa kayo nag-breakfast, wala pa kayong kahit anong kain, biligay na ito, guys.
Guys, ito na.
Energy bar. Go
Bilhin
bar.
daw yung tae nila, tae. Ano? Tae na ano yan?
Tayo naman tintoy. Pre-taste kasi yun, gago. Pati pa ko na.
Saan kayo kumain?
Ano, nagutom na kayo?
Kumain din kami.
Kumain ka.
Tinapay daw.
Buns. Can you eat some buns, bro?
Cream puff. Hi. So, ano ang ganap natin? Tyla, Sia. Next. Kumbaga kanina parang super sponty. Kanina lang kami bumili ng ticket. Literal na 3 hours ago planned. Kumbaga sinabi lang na, yeah, I just wanna hear her live. That's all. That's all I want. Sabi ni RK, guys. Uy, alam mo ba may pagdating namin sa mall, sabi ni RK. Alam mo ba may concert si Tyla ngayon? Sabi ko, ay Beba, gusto manood tayo. Tangay na tapos. Sabi ko, 2.5 lang. 2.5 lang, Jen. At may ticket pa ba? Oh, may ticket pa. Yun. Clutch moment yun, guys. Tangay na sobrang haba ng pinila ko. Oh, sorry. Nasa ba? Oo. Oh my God. So, ayun guys, Gen Ad. So, Minion yung makikita namin. Pero okay lang, mapapamake this way naman siya. Kung saan siya masaya. Time check, guys. 7:29, 8 yung start. So, on the way na kami sa arena. Yeah. Hindi naman yung outfit natin, hindi pa concert. Sobrang cashy siya pang Tyla. Casual lang, parang ito nga yung mga lalaki naka-white. Yes. Ikaw lang black. Kaya
guys, welcome to the vlog. And as you can see right now, guys, I'm in my safe place. I'm in my room. Mag-edit kasi ako ng thumbnail for this vlog kasi 2 weeks ago na ako walang upload. And I just wanna say na kung magulo yung clips, I'm so sorry, guys. Pero kasi, I have to stop saying pero kasi. So guys, this week has been so fulfilling because ang dami naming nagawa. Like, there was a bazaar. I was in like Manila most of the time, and then after the bazaar, we had like biglaan na Tyla concert. And guys, share ko lang, I saw Maurice Racal. Ganda niya.
No words. I saw Tyla, of course. Oh my God. Body tea forever. And I saw Ate Bianca Mendoza. So, picture is right here. Anyways, so samahan niyo ako mag-edit guys. Kasi, i-end ko na tong vlog na to. And I'm gonna show. Ewan ko if mag-show pa ako ng montage sa end. Kung sinipag man ako mag-edit. Pero kung wala, see you in the next Christmas vlog guys. So, bye guys! Thank you so much for watching!